In this video, I am going to tell you the most important topics for chemistry, ICSE 10th. Your board exams are starting from January and hopefully you have completed your syllabus. If you have problem in any chapter, please do comment. I'll be making a video on that if it gets maximum likes. So, chemistry is nothing without reactions, and you get a lot of questions based on chemical reactions, organic chemistry, and so on, laboratory preparation, then distinguishing between two salts that are given. I'll just tell you about this ebook that I have launched. You can buy it from the link in the description box. It consists of full syllabus chemistry reactions, and these are the samples that you can see. Not only this, you can also have a look here. ISC 11th physics notes are also provided, and this ebook scored 90 plus in ICSE board exam ebook, that is for science stream. English language ebook for ISC board. These are the ebooks. If you want to purchase it, the link will be provided in the description box. Moving back to the important topics. Now for periodic table, you must learn atomic number of all those elements till 20. Okay, mass number will be provided to you. You should also know the difference between alkali metals, halogens, and then noble gases. Alright, you know that first group is for alkali metals, and then this is the 17th group in the periodic table, that is for halogens. For noble gases, it's 18. As you can see here, this is group 1, and group 1 is for alkali metals. Then group 2 is for alkaline earth metals. These are the transition metals from 4 to 12, right? Then we have non-metals. On right hand side of the periodic table, we have non-metals that gain electrons, and on the left hand side, they are metal that lose electrons. 17th group is for halogens and 18th is for noble gases. Now we'll have a look on these number of elements. So for first period, we have 2 elements. It is the shortest period. Then here in second, it is 8. Here 8. Then we have 18, 18, 32, and 7th period is incomplete. Okay. Now we have this very important topic that is periodic properties of the periodic table, and in this you will learn all the definitions of atomic size, electron affinity, electronegativity, ionization energy. Okay, and please see that across the period atomic size decreases because the nuclear energy increases. You should know the reason also. Then for electron affinity, we can see it increases across the period and decreases towards the group. All right. And for electronegativity, it is again the same. It increases along the period and decreases along the group. Ionization energy. So we can see that electron affinity, ionization potential, and electronegativity, these 3 periodic properties increase across the period and decrease along the group. Even the metallic character decreases, and the non-metallic character, it increases, right? Because we have metals on the left hand side of the periodic table and non-metals on the right hand side. Basic nature of oxides, left to right, it decreases, and down the group it increases. They will ask you the definitions, and also the reasoning questions are asked from this topic. The difference between alkali metals and halogens. You will definitely get a question where you will be given a periodic table and the elements will be like of this form A, B. They will ask you that which element has a higher ionization potential, if A is to the left of B, and so on. Please be prepared for such questions and make sure to clear all the properties. In acids, bases, salts, you can get electron dot diagrams of H3O positive ion, the hydronium ion, and ammonia, water. Color change in indicators. Please have a look. Reactions of this chapter are also important, like those reactions burning of metallic carbonates. You will get metallic oxide plus carbon dioxide. They will ask you the color. or they may ask you a compound on heating gives yellow yellow color when hot and white color when cold, right? Please answer these two questions. So what will be the color of the product formed? And questions will be asked like they will give you a reaction and ask you which type of reaction is this. Options are double decomposition, synthesis, displacement, or any other option that can be given. Answer here is displacement reaction. So you'll have to classify the reactions as well. Now the numericals from mole chemistry, mole concept and stoichiometry, percentage composition questions, then number of moles, vapor density questions, RMM, you should know about this. Empirical formula questions are asked. Please have a look in the PYQs. You will get an idea about what questions will be asked. Okay. Now analytical chemistry, you have to do this completely. There is no choice. Please learn all the reactions, mug them up. Color of those reactants, products. In electrolysis, questions will be asked like, please give the reactions for cathode and anode when this compound, it breaks into ions. This is sodium argentocyanide, which breaks into sodium ion, silver ion and cyanide ion. Okay. At cathode, you can see silver is formed, and in anode, the ion is formed. Here it is reduction, because at cathode reduction takes place and at anode oxidation takes place. Now these chapters that are study of compounds, we have HCl, NH3, HNO3, H2SO4, lab preparation of all these compounds, and the fountain. See, I have covered all these reactions in my ebook. It has all named reactions with catalysts, temperatures, all are balanced. Like properties of H2SO4. Questions are asked from this part, that H2SO4 as a dehydrating agent. Please mention the reaction. It should be balanced. It is a compulsion. For organic chemistry, I would say you have to do the IUPAC naming, and also you have to do the reactions. There are a lot of reactions in this chapter also. Please make sure to draw the structural diagrams, how to draw alcohol, how to draw aldehyde, and so on. So here in metallurgy chapter, you can see Bayer's process, then Hall-Herold's process, then we have Hooke's process, right? The reducing agents are given, methods used. A lot of reactions are here. Same for HCl. Laboratory preparation and reaction with dilute acid, the product form, the color form, test for HCl acid, lab preparation of methane, ethane, ethanol, and so on. Organic chemistry reactions, the conversions here, how to convert alkane to alcohol, aldehyde, and acid. We have to use potassium dichromate, and here when we add oxygen, it gets oxidized and this is formed, right? Pyrolysis, an important reaction. Then catalytic hydrogenation. I think I can't tell you which one is important in this particular topic, because each and every reaction is important. Have a look in the previous year questions. You'll get an idea. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day and all the best for your exam.